What's that smell? Pizza! Pizza! Mom! I want pizza!
Stop, that's not right. Stop, Joe. Wash your hands first, all right?
Okay. Look, Mom! Clean now! No, don't do that. You can't clean hands like that. Germs are tiny, we can't see, but they stick to you and me. Wash your hands, make the germs go away. Soap and water, rub them well, keep the germs away. Before you eat, before you snack, front and back and in between, clean your hands and you will see, happy, healthy, shiny, clean. Did someone say pizza?
Wait for me!
Hold on. What do we do?
Wash our hands, make the germs go away. Soap, bubbles, wash the germs away. Rub, front and back, in between, don't miss that. Round and round, nice and slow, watch the yucky germs all go. Fingers, thumbs and nails so clean, shiny hands we've ever seen. Wash our hands before we eat our food. Clean, happy hands, now we feel so good.
Hey, pizza? I want some too.
Dad, do you want pizza?
Yes!
No, Dad, wait and see. Wash your hands just like me.
Oops. Sorry, I forgot.
That's okay. Go wash.
Wash your hands. Let the germs go away. Wash your hands. Make the germs go away. Soap, bubbles. Keep the germs away. Wash our hands every single day.